was a time when I was alone, nowhere to go and no place to call home. My only friend was the man in the moon. Even sometimes he would go away too. Then one night as I closed my eyes, I saw a shadow flying high. He came to me with the sweetest smile, told me he wanted to talk for a while. He said, Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that I'll never be lonely. Ever since that day, I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And when we're bored we play in the woods, always on the run, Captain Hook. Run, run, lost boy, they say to me, away from all of reality. Neverland's home to lost boys like me, lost boys like me. Neverland's home to lost boys like me, lost boys like me. From Neverland, usually hanging out, Peter Pan. Away from all the reality. Neverland's home to lost boys like me, lost boys like me. A lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out, Peter Pan. Sprinkled me in pixie dust and told me to believe in him and believe in me. Together we will fly away in a cloud of green to your beautiful destiny. As we saw above the town that never loved me, I realized that finally that it found me. Soon enough we reach Neverland, peacefully not forget the sound. And ever since that day, I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out. Peter Pan, Neverland, I love you so. You are now my home, sweet home forever. A lost boy at least. Peter Pan, Tinkerbell, Wendy, darling, even Captain Hook, you are my perfect storybook. Neverland, I love you so. You are now my home, sweet home forever. A lost boy at least. And for always I will sing. I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And when we're bored we play in the woods, always on the run from Captain Hook. Run, run, lost boy, they say to me, away from all the reality. Run, run, lost boy, they say to me, away from all the reality. Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free.